Hi there. Yeah. It's gonna be your first fireworks show. Well, I guess it's your second. But this is your first Independence Day! Yay! Independence Day! Hi. Did you go swimming today? Yes, you did. You sure did. You weren't in there that long. Toot toot. Toot toot. So we are here outside the Skeeters Stadium where they're going to have some fireworks. We just kind of came upon this place, scouted it out in Google Maps, and we are over here in the grass area. It's a big giant grass field here, and there we are over there. Is Emma running around crazy. So we're in good view of some good fireworks, hopefully. Got some other friends coming. It's nice out. It's actually not too hot tonight. It's not too hot, is it? No, it's not. Yeah. Yes, it is. It's nice. I know. It's nice out, huh, Chunkers? Yeah, we get so excited. Oh, is that funny? You're funny. You're such a happy boy. Except when you're hungry. Then you're like, feed me. Feed me. Yeah. There they are. There's Superman. His favorite shirt. You guys excited? Getting out all your energy? You getting out all your energy? What you doing? That's not how you sit in a chair. Oh, good teamwork. Well, she's down. She died. Hi. Whoa. Is it a nice night out tonight? Yeah. Yeah? Is it hot? It's not too hot. I saw that. You crashed. What look is that? What face is that you're making? Oh, what face is that? You're being silly. Were those your acting faces? Yeah. No. Oh, you stinker. That's not cool. Eli's stuck. Help him. He fell and he can't get up.
There you go. Oh, oh, the diving.
You're quite the dramatic actor. Oh, Eli's rolling away.
Come on, let's go back home. Meow. Come on, Kitty.
You're a cat. Don't be a cat. Cats are dumb.
We are
Be a
making
dog. Yuck! Don't bite my foot. That's gross.
We're making up a story. Come on, cat. Come on. No, Kitty. No. Hold on. I'll see the video.
We'll watch it later.
Oh, the pain! That is not helpful.
Your friends are here! Yay!
Smoke, can I have one of those things that light up? Sparkle things?
I don't have anything that lights up.
We got a little snacky with us.
Yeah! Okay, hold on. What one is it? Tell me which one. You just said it.
Venus. The very hottest planet on the
It is pretty hot. What's the other one? It's a big one too.
Jupiter.
Yeah, give me 5.
You guys go watch this?
You're dramatic. You're missing the fireworks. Chunkers.
I'm just totally tired. It's like, leave me alone.
Ooh.
Isn't Bradley going to be here?
Is what?
Bradley?
They're somewhere
They're
else.
inside the stadium.
Why is it inside?
They got tickets inside. Ooh. Too loud. They're not even making noise.
How are you making noise?
Oh my goodness. They're
Oh
like
my
blasting out
goodness.
space and then hitting the ground. Pretty.